Your bank is making you poor. Here's what to do. Instead, stop for a moment and think. How much of your hard-earned money is just disappearing? Are you tired of seeing your balance drop every month without ever really moving forward? What if I told you that your bank, yes, the one you trust every day, is part of the problem? They're literally making you poor. Sounds extreme, right? Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the truth and exactly what to do about it. The bank's dirty little secret. Here's the harsh reality. Banks don't want you to get rich. They profit when you stay exactly where you are, on the hamster wheel. Think about it. You keep your money in a savings account earning a fraction of a percent in interest, while they lend it out at 10%, 20%, even 30% interest rates. They're making money off of you, and you don't even know it. Wait, you didn't think that high-yield savings account was actually high, did you? It's barely above the rate of inflation. You're basically getting paid in pennies while they're out there rolling in the dough. So, what's the first thing you need to do? Stop letting them sit on your cash. It's time for you to take control and start putting your money where it'll actually grow. The money lie. How banks keep you stuck. Let's talk about your checking account. You might think it's just a place to park your money, but it's far more sinister than that. With maintenance fees, ATM charges, and overdraft penalties, your bank is actively draining your resources. You've seen it, right? The surprise fee that shows up after you get hit with an automatic bill, or the out-of-network ATM charge, that's money you could be using to invest in your future. If only they weren't there to siphon it away. Seriously, how many of you have felt personally victimized by a convenience fee at an ATM? We've all been there. But the sad truth is these fees are just one of the ways your bank is sneaking its profits from you. Now, let's get to the big question. How do you break free from this system that's keeping you poor? Well, it's simpler than you think. The power of financial independence. It's time to rethink how you handle money. The first step? Move away from traditional bank savings accounts. What you need is a strategy that works with your goals. Start by investing your savings, no matter how small. Compound interest is a real thing, and it's working for the people who make their money grow. You have options like stocks, IRAs, and ETFs that can start putting your money to work for you instead of sitting idle. But here's the kicker. There's one strategy that most people overlook, and it could completely change the way you look at money forever. Want to know what it is? I'm about to show you, and you'll kick yourself for not learning it sooner. But before we get to that life-changing strategy, let's talk about the one thing that most people overlook: automation. The secret weapon. Automation. Automation. It's the future of money management. Set it up once, and you're on autopilot. You don't need to spend hours staring at spreadsheets or manually transferring money between accounts. With a few simple clicks, you can set up automatic transfers to your investments, your savings, and your goals. That's how you ensure your financial future grows, without needing to work for it constantly. Imagine this. You're sipping coffee while your money is off doing the hard work. It's like having a financial assistant, without the extra payroll. Now, this isn't just about automating transfers. There's something else you can automate that will completely change the game. Stick around, because this last tip will skyrocket your wealth. Guaranteed. The final step? It's time to take control. Your bank doesn't care about your future, but you can. By investing, automating, and taking charge of your cash flow, you'll finally break free from the system that's been holding you back. Don't let another month slip by. Start today and take the steps toward a wealthier tomorrow. No more waiting for the right moment. Now is that moment. Your bank might be keeping you poor, but you have the power to change your financial future. Don't wait. Hit subscribe and join me for the next video where I'll show you the exact steps to start building the wealth you deserve.